Hi there. This is Arthur Infantino, and I teach 7th grade resource virtually this year. So again, I teach 7th grade resource virtually this year. And so we meet at 10:45 to 11:25. We meet at 10:45 to 11:25. As a reminder, make sure you know that the course requirements are in the Microsoft Teams. They're under Files. If you click on the class folder, you will find the course requirements. Our weekly work consists of iReady and other reading, writing, and math websites that I use to get data about your child for their IEP goals. So that's how class is done. Grades are in PowerSchool, and if there is a zero, that means the child did not finish one of the assignments. So if there is a zero, that means the child did not do one of the assignments. So how does your child get help? Well, I'm available on Fridays for RTI at 2 to 3:45. Again, that's Friday from 2 to 3:45. So that's when I am available. And make sure, again, in PowerSchool, if you see zeros for me, that means your child did not complete that assignment for me. Okay. So attendance is taken virtually. It's through PowerSchool. Again, I use a VTP code. Again, it's a VTP code and PowerSchool. If you have technology issues, make sure you go see or call Miss Mazer. Call Miss Mazer, and then she can get you with the tech guys. And something positive about this year, it's a new experience for everyone. I'm excited for it. I think we're all safe here. It's a safe environment where we can work and we can help each other grow and get better. So again, make sure you call or email me, and I will help you as much as possible that I can. Thank you so much for listening for my presentation, and please contact me if you need help with your child's work. Thank you so much. Bye.